Welcome to this Flipdish tutorial on campaign management. This video describes how Flipdish customers can create promotional campaigns to reward and re-engage their customers. First, let's look at loyalty campaigns. Loyalty campaigns are designed to keep your customers coming back. They reward loyal customers for repeated orders by providing them with a voucher code after they make a predefined number of orders. The voucher code can be redeemed for either a free meal or a fixed percentage discount off their next order, depending on the configuration of the campaign. As you may know, our Flipdish portal has many different levels of permission. Not everyone is able to modify or create these campaigns. Campaigns can only be added or modified by owners, but can be viewed by owners, managed owners, financial managers, store manager, and store staff. If you're unsure of your permissions on the Flipdish portal, contact help@flipdish.com and we will be happy to clarify the situation. So let's look at how to create a campaign. Your first step is to log into the Flipdish portal, which can be found at portal.flipdish.com. Then navigate to the campaign page using the campaigns button on the left-hand menu. Once you've clicked this, you can then click the Add New button in the bottom right corner, and you have two choices to select loyalty or retention. First, let's look at loyalty. All you have to do is set the values to the required fields. The first option is to select whether the campaign is enabled. This field defines whether the campaign is enabled as soon as the campaign is created or not. If disabled, then you will be able to go back and enable the campaign later. This is useful if you want to create a campaign in advance of a specific date, but do not want to enable the campaign yet. Then you need to select which store that you want to enroll in the campaign. After that, you'll have to define the number of orders required for a customer to be awarded a voucher. If this is set to 10 orders, for example, then the customer will be sent a voucher after their 10th successful order. Then you'll have to define the number of days after being issued that the voucher will be redeemable for. Customers will be informed of their voucher expiry date in the SMS they receive when being awarded the voucher. You will also need to define whether the voucher should also cover any delivery fees to the customer or not. Next, you'll have to decide whether the voucher will be automatically applied to the customer's next order with you, or whether they'll need to enter the voucher code in order for the discount to be applied. The next field is used to define whether any previous orders made by the customer before the campaign was created should count towards their loyalty reward. For example, take a customer who's already made 3 orders with your store. Imagine we create a loyalty campaign which requires customers to make 10 orders before they receive their voucher. If includes existing orders is enabled when the campaign is created, then the customer will only need to make 7 more orders before being awarded a voucher. The final option is to select whether the customer receives a free meal or a percentage off their next order. If you select a percentage, you will then be asked to enter the exact percentage you would like to give as a discount. Once you're happy with all this information, just hit create and your campaign will appear. Remember, the campaign will only become active if you turned on the Is the Campaign Enabled switch at the top of the loyalty campaign. If you want to modify or remove the campaign, all you have to do is click Modify on the right hand side of the campaign. Then click in the bottom left hand corner Remove to end the campaign. I hope you found this video useful. For more information on campaign management, contact help@flipdish.com and we'll be happy to help.